learned galaxy of teachers. It was a different sort of, we can say, program, a workshop, because it was conducted in a very informal manner, and the environment, the atmosphere which was prevailing here in computer lab totally different. Means the teacher and the taught, they were totally mingled and there was no gap between them. That is very essential in real classroom situation. Second thing, Mr. Mishra, I don't have words to speak about his personality. He is a versatile man. Rather, I can say he is an all-rounder. So in all-rounder, there are many things hidden. There is a mystery behind it. Okay, and the experiences which he has shared with you, they are not imaginary. He has done a lot of work, and that is why he is recognized in Samiti, and whatever he proposes for the students is accepted by the higher authorities. So he is full of zeal, enthusiasm and confidence, and we pray Almighty that this zeal, this enthusiasm, this interest which he has, the dedication, the devotion, the vision and the mission which he has, must continue till the last breath of his life, because it will give a lot of life, a lot of light, a lot of life to the coming generations. So I personally request all my friends that it should not limit up to you only. The way Mr. Mishra came forward to share his knowledge, his experience, and spread this light in different corners. At least these teachers are representing all 3 states. So those who are representing MP must spread this light in whole state as well as in whole country. Similarly, the teachers who have come from Chhattisgarh, he is the only person, so he should take the hold and he must spread that light in Chhattisgarh also. Similarly, 2 of my friends have come from Orissa, so the same thing should be done. And not only to the teachers, it should also, because it is such a program, I have come to know, and that it can be shared with everybody. So as Mr. Saurabh used a word, that he is a pack of knowledge. So that pack of knowledge has been unpacked voluntarily, and it should not be unpacked for today only or these 3 days, but he should back from the back. He should back from the back. Even if our friends have some problems, some you can say doubts, so these doubts must be cleared even after leaving this place. So please be in touch with Mr. Mishra and how to make it more useful, more fruitful, more meaningful, and in order to make English is, as far as Madhya Pradesh is concerned, the condition is very, very pathetic. We are facing, though it is, our school is located in almost urban area, but the students are not good at English, especially in communication skills. Spoken English, they are very, very weak. They are unable to speak a sentence. So, if you want to take the interest in they must love the subject. We have to make it is the responsibility of the teachers interesting, joyful, so that the learning can be made. So we hope that this is not the end, it is the beginning only, and let's take it till we achieve the very purpose of this program. So once again, we thank all the participants and say sorry for any inconvenience caused to them during these 3 days. Not at all, because I'll tell you, I was informed when I went to regional that this program, your school, Mishra was already there. So we could not make your whatever we had sources. We could only just and could not look after you properly. So sorry for the inconvenience. So once again, I thank you all for the interest, for the you can say enthusiasm which we have displayed. So once again, I thank you one and all.
Thank you very much.